Just wanted to show you something. I went ahead and put my Puig windscreen back on, and one of the reasons I did it is because my friend Frank put his on and it looked really good. So let's get on the bike and see how it is. Also, I know that you guys couldn't see my mirror on my other video, but I mean, here it is here. I don't know if you can see it. Now, you know, a lot of you guys will see a big reflection. I don't see it as much as you guys see it, but I did order the anti-glare for it, and hopefully that's going to make a big difference. So let's go ahead and head home and test out this Puig for the second time. The last time I had it on was over a year ago. And I am liking the mirror because it shows me what's behind me. Like right now there's a white car behind me. The car was pretty close. And that's my main reason for getting the mirror. I'm a bit out of breath today. I was getting this Puig screen down from the garage, and the ladder just happened to slip from under me. Can you guys see the mirror? Hopefully you can. See that car that just came up behind me? Car to the right. You also have a choice on, you know, how high or low you want the camera. And what I'm thinking is I'm actually going to maybe raise the angle of the camera just up a little bit. You could do that right on the screen. I'll show you when we get to the house. Maybe I'll show you before I enter the house, because my garage is way too dirty to show on camera. The wind pattern using the Puig is so much different than the OEM windscreen. That white car just really wanted to stay really close to me. Okay, I'm gonna stand in the shade here and show you how you can raise the camera up. You just go to the dash cam and there you go. Now I don't know if you can see it, but it's showing me a different view. I have to open my gate now to look at how messy my garage is. That's a view of the rear view mirror.